Say, happy afternoon mga shots. Anong oras na ba? Nagtutulog na yata. Anyway mga shots, we are going to start our day with our coffee. Every day. Again. Holy moly, baby. Yan na. Ay, ang batang ikaw talaga. Ikaw na talaga. Wala na yung... My phone is broken already, baby Ayana. Ay, Diyos ko niyo, Marimar. Wait lang, mayroon ako mga tali sa aking buhok. Baby, you broke my phone. Why you keep dropping things, Ayana? That's not very nice to do. Oh. Let me fix my phone. Wala na nga itong cellphone natin. Inano mo pa. No, it's broken. That's broken. Look at the screen. It's full of matrix. Ako'y uulitin na pa. Gigigil ako. Oh, that's daddy's computer. Don't drop that one. That's very important. We will have coffee again. Mama will have coffee. Yeah, because you are not being nice. Ang init, baby, na maglaba tayo mga shots. Samahan mo kami maglaba mamaya ng damit ng baby Yana ko. Actually, nakasalang na yun doon sa likod. And dito, kagigising pa lang tong batang ito ngayon. Kaya wala pa sa mood ang batang ito. Ay, Yana. Look at me here. Oh, maglaba tayo, baby Yana. But first, we have to make mommy's coffee. No, where you go? Where you go? That's daddy's baby mouse. Don't drop it, please. Or else daddy will get mad. Don't drop it. That's daddy's mouse. Okay, can you do it here? Put it down. Put it down. Please, here. Put it here. That's how you do it. Look, mommy. I'll show you, mommy. That's like that. Like that. Don't touch it, please. Oh, no. Kinakabahan ako sa yung batang ito kay lagi nagtatapon ng mga bagay-bagay. Oh, look at Lucas. Lucas is crying again. Oh, no. Lucas is in the bad mood again. Are you a good mood? Oh, good. Are you not like Lucas? Bad mood Lucas? Or cranky Lucas? Good job, my baby girl. Say no crying, Kuya Lucas. No crying. Okay, come on, let's make my coffee and do the laundry. May kape pa ako dito kanina, kaso kunti na lang to. Ang pait, Beshi. Kasi, so pait. It's hot? Oh no, it's nothing in there. It's empty. Look, Mama drank it already. Mama will make another one. But this time, we will have Kopiko Brown. I know, not Kopiko Brown. Cappuccino. You want this one? Yeah? Oh, no. Yung ating pera, mga kayamanan. Baby, Mama will do the laundry and clean the ref. The refrigerator needs to be clean because it's yucky inside na. Wala na nga tayong nilagay sa ating ref, maliyaki pa. Okay. Can you be good to mommy? Agoy, ang batang ito. Energetic na naman. Baby, don't drop it please. Go, come on, go. Come on, maglaban na nga kami mga shots. Wait lang. Iano muna natin yung laundry, baby Yana. Lagyan natin ng tubig. So, we can make our coffee as well. Okay, let's go. Hold it. Tata She, what's Tata She is up to? Oh, we're going to go at the back. But first, Mama will make coffee. Okay? Can I put you down here first? There you go. Okay. Where's the scissor? Ay, wala na naman tayong scissor, baby. Saan naman yung mga scissor natin? Parang may dito sa aming bahay. May mumu. Lahat ng bagay nawawala. I don't know. Nagdi-disappear na lang ng kusa. Ayan na, right? Oh, this is my first time after a long time. Not a long time, maybe 2 weeks. Where's my... kailangan pala natin mag-init ng tubig. Bastos. Wait lang. Oh, you got hiccups? My baby has a hiccups. Oh, no, mommy too. No. Mommy too, I have hiccups. Where's, what are you looking for? Ate Malia? Is that Ate Malia? Ate Malia? Ate Malia? And, that's Ate Malia. Tata Shed, Tata Michelle, Ate Nicole, and me. Oh, you're not even there yet. Yeah. I love you. Okay, let's go outside. At the back. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh no. We are here sa ating magic place na maraming labadang gagawin. Oh, Mama will have coffee. Okay? There you go. Mommy will have coffee. Oh, what's that? Smoke? Smoky? Smoky. There you go. Oh my goodness. Who's that? That's Daniel. Can I put you down here first, baby Yana? Okay? Ang dami nating labada. Diyos ko niyo, Mari-Mari. Yung labada namin walang katapusan. Every day. Mayroon tayong labada, baby. Okay, let me get my, my cup. There you go. Coffee tayo. Kati ng ilong ko. That's hot. See, it's hot. It's smoky. Hot. Monty, baby, can I put you down on your chair so Mama can do something else? Okay? Mama need to wash your clothes and do something else. Can I put you down while I'm doing that? Huh? Is that a good idea? You want milk? Okay, Mama will make your rice. Rice, vegetables, and chicken. How's that? Is that a good idea, Bibiana? Okay? I love you. Give Mama a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss. Give Mommy a kiss. No touching, please. See? Ouch. Oh, it's hot. Smoky. Oh, see? Feel that? Can you feel that? It's hot. It's... Oh, see? It's hot. Say, oh, blow. When it's hot, you have to blow, right? No. Si babay na daw. Allah. Show Monty. Show Monty, baby Yana. Make it sounds. Make that sounds, baby. Press it. Oh, me press it. Monty wants it. Oh, see? Go, Monty. Go get Monty. Oh, no. Monty's grabbing it, Yana. He likes it, baby Yana. Oh, no. Oh, no. Ang bata. Ang batang di makapag Ay, hindi pala bata yan. Bastos niya. Si Monty pala, nung bata ang pinagsasabi ko. Oh no, what happened to Monty now? He wants that one too? Ang pang-asar din siya. Ang pang-asar na bata. Oh no. Give it to Monty. Monty wants it. That's Monty's toy. Ang batang ito, pinakain ko kasi busy ang mother. Tinapon yung kanyang pagkain. Okay, Mama will pick it up. Sorry, Mommy's busy, Ayana. Okay, are you done? I think you're done now. Oh, don't throw it, please. Okay, come on, it's done na. Ay, itong batang ito. Let's go. Clean up. Time to clean up na. Don't put that in your mouth. That's dirty. Daddy's coming soon. Come on.